The optional top coat. The top coat is purchased separately and will create an attractive clear high gloss seamless finish when used over the previously coated floors. Be sure to match the top coat with a compatible Max or Plus base. Mixing and installation is the same as the base coats, and the same tools and procedures should be followed. An optional traction additive can be used to increase the slip resistance and is included in the top coat kit. The top coat kit for each system includes 1 part A liquid, 1 part B liquid, the traction additive, a mixing stick, and the installation manual. The kit will cover 400 to 500 square feet or 9.8 to 12.3 square meters.